We're back, and using a combination of a Harbor Freight brass brush and a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of very gentle scraping to get rid of the calcium, and a little bit of chemicals, either citric acid or vinegar. We get that nice and clean, and now we're ready to reassemble this valve. So what we've got is a kit, and we've got the spring in there, and we've got a new plunger and a new spring. One pointy end up, and then we want to put the disc in the body of the valve first. Just seat it right in there. There we go. Make sure, yeah, there you go. And then that goes right on top of that. I'll hold it in place for you, and you get the bracket. And you want to get your sheet metal screw. No, I'm sorry, you want to get your machine screw. There we go. That's it. Got it. And you want to put one screw in, finger tight. Just, you don't have to crank it in. You want to be able to move it to get the other two in. So you just have that that's it, just right there. So you don't have to, you don't crank it in. And you get your other screws. Yeah, that's it. Just finger tight. Alrighty. And now then we want to put the solenoid on. We have to, we got that nylon washer and the other screw. Yeah, actually the nylon washer goes between, so you want the screw in first. Right, yeah, that's it. And then you want the nylon washer. Yeah, it's a real pain. That's what they want. So, well, that's what we'll do. There you go. I know, it's a pain. You gotta have it over the spindle there. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. That's it. There you go. That's it. Hey, I want to crank that one. Crank it down. That's it. And get those two. Crank that down. And the other one. That's a little difficult, isn't it? Okay. All right. Good thinking. Good. That's, like I say, if you drop it, no problem. We got plenty. Yeah, it's real. What a pain. there we go. All right, now we grab the electronics and the sheet metal screws with the Phillips head. I can hold the Phillips for you. You got that?
Good.
Yeah, there we are. Yeah, I got this holes to line up. Yeah, there we go.
That's it.
Yeah, just get it started and maybe, yes. Dare say that was never taken apart since they assembled it 10 years ago. You got the other. Excellent. I usually forget putting the tabs on and I wonder why it doesn't work. Well done. Alrighty, go ahead and hook the wires up. Yeah, white to the neutral. Yeah, you got it.
Further inside.
That's it.
Sparking.
Alrighty. Alright, go ahead and plug it in. Alright, oh well, you can turn the water on, that's good. Alright, nothing should happen. And go ahead and plug it into the light there. Yeah, okay, and then switch it on. Alright, that's ground. Go ahead and hit the feed button for me. And then let it off. That's what we should hear. That should shut off immediately. Well done, sir. Well done. Successful job. Thank you for your patience, and I'll see you on the next one.